There's a 368 billion security check being written by the Australian government, and most of it is landing in two very specific spots: Western Australia and South Australia. We aren't just talking about submarines, we are talking about a permanent high-income workforce that is about to collide with the tightest housing markets we've ever seen. We know it as the AUKUS deal, which is creating what I call the defense corridor. While the mainstream media debates the politics, I'm looking at the $8 billion flowing into HMAS Stirling and the thousands of Pillar 2 scientists moving into Adelaide. Today I'm showing you why Rockingham and Busselton are the safest bets in WA for 2026 and how the defense boom is creating a new class of high-yield blue-chip rentals. I'm Roy and this is Roy Talks Property. If you want to follow the money, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's start in the West. The HMAS Stirling Naval Base on Garden Island is undergoing an $8 billion transformation. Construction is already ramping up to host the submarine rotational workforce starting 2027. According to the WA government's AUKUS task force, this will bring an initial 1,100 US and UK defence personnel and their families to the Rockingham area. These families aren't looking for cheap. They have high housing allowances and need quality, secure rentals. Rockingham is the epicenter. It has transitioned from a sleepy coastal suburb to a mission-critical defence hub. We are seeing demand spill over into Kwinana and Cockburn, but Rockingham remains the ground zero for capital growth because this is where personnel want to be. Now, let's look to our south at Busselton. Most people think that Busselton is a holiday town. In 2026, that's a mistake. Busselton is now a structurally supported growth engine. With population growth hitting 2.4% per annum, the city of Busselton will need about 400 new homes every single year to keep up with the pace. Why is this a defence play? Because as Rockingham becomes full, the senior contractors and defence adjacent professionals are moving to Busselton and Bunbury for the lifestyle balance, while still being within the AUKUS economic zone. Busselton is a safe haven. It has the scarcity of a coastal gem, but the backbone of a government-backed economy. Now, let's talk about Pillar 2 in Adelaide, the high-tech income boom. While WA builds the docks, South Australia is building the brains. AUKUS's Pillar 2 focuses on advanced tech, AI, quantum, and cyber. Adelaide is becoming the Silicon Valley of defense. We are seeing thousands of high-income scientists and engineers move into tech precincts like Lot 14 and suburbs surrounding the Osborne shipyard. The Osborne Effect. The Osborne shipyard is a $30 billion submarine construction yard which is getting built right now. That's about 10,000 workers. So, what's your strategy as an investor? You need to buy in the high-income arc between Adelaide CBD and Osborne. These Pillar 2 professionals are driving up the median prices in suburbs that used to be overlooked. They want smart homes, high-end finishes, and proximity to the tech hubs. The AUKUS corridor is the most significant structural driver of property prices in Australia today. It is a 30-year commitment that provides a floor for your investment. So don't wait for the submarines to arrive. The growth is happening right now in the groundworks. Hit the subscribe button to track AUKUS's boom with us, and I'll see you on the next one.